This is my FL Sun printer. I upgraded the Z-axis mounts on both sides. I've printed the bracket. I still need to insert the button. I ordered it, but it will arrive in a few weeks. I'm now printing the upper bracket that will go here. I moved the Y-axis motor to PETG mount as well. As you can see, it's printing without warping. I first rub the aluminium surface with isopropyl alcohol. Then I use hair lac. You have to pay attention to buy hair lac with vinyl. Anyway, it's here somewhere. You have to look for vinyl. Then, after spraying the hair lac and letting it cool, I apply the blue tape. After I apply the blue tape, I spray the blue tape once again with the hairspray, let it evaporate, and then I start the print. This print is sticking to the bed like magic. So I just wanted to share this. I hope you like it. Bye bye.